Here are a few reasons why I would consider buying this property. Because it has a front porch and a covered deck. Because it has a carport. Because this home sits on almost half an acre and it has this incredibly large fenced yard. Because you know I love to garden, it has irrigated garden beds. Because it has storage sheds, garden sheds, tool sheds, and a greenhouse. Because it has a walkout basement suite with this outdoor patio. Because it has a massive mudroom with a front and back door and a laundry. Because it has an incredible, brand new, updated, spacious kitchen. Because of its open layout that flows beautifully from the kitchen, dining, and living area right out to the covered patio. Because it has 3 spacious bedrooms all on the main floor. Because the master bedroom has an ensuite with a soaker tub. Because this is the walkout basement in-law suite. Because the basement suite has this huge master bedroom with an ensuite, large living room, and a den. And it's in a fantastic neighborhood right in town where you can walk absolutely everywhere.